You said something happened, right?
The first time I cooked, I nearly burnt down the house. So,
Mostly I dance, so I used to dance.
And then I felt like giving it a try last year, but unfortunately I lost.
I expected that and you did not disappoint me.
so my name is Oladimeji Adesanya. I'm 16 years old. I'm passionate about cooking because I inherited it from my mom.
My name is Christopher Peace. I'm 16 years old and I'm into singing. That's mostly gospel music.
My name is Isaac Destiny. I'm 16 years old.
What inspired you to apply for this opportunity?
What inspired me was courage, because it was just unaware. I didn't believe that I'll get to this point today, but it's just God that gave me the talent, and that's what inspired me to be here.
Isaac, what inspired you to apply for this opportunity?
I felt like if I have passion for a particular thing, I feel like I should try it and explore it to the world. So I tried to see if, and then give it a chance, if I could win or not. Because the last year, Baba Ibadan came to our school and then he told us about the talent on page. And then I felt like giving it a try last year, but unfortunately I lost. So I decided to give this one a try, if I could win.
Never give up, guys. He tried last year, he didn't win, so he applied again, and this is why he is here today. He won. So never give up on your dream. Oladimeji, what inspired you to apply for this opportunity?
First of all, it's my mom. My mom really inspired me by giving me words of advice, and secondly, the Baba Ibadan talent junkie. Something happened that I took a bold step, saying I will never go back or look back. So that's why I'm here today.
You said something happened, right? Something happened. What's that particular thing?
The first time I cooked,
Yes.
I nearly burnt down the house. so
He almost burnt down the house.
so she sat me down
Okay.
and we had a little conversation, give me steps to follow and not to do other things apart from having focus on cooking.
Now, Christopher, you've been singing for like 10 years now, am I right? Good. What does gospel music mean to you personally?
Honestly, it means a lot to
Okay.
me, because all the time in my daily routines, I remember God.
Okay.
And a lot of things have been happening through the years, because a lot of youths like me and students like me go into worldly music.
Okay.
Because mostly I dance, so I used to dance.
Okay.
And the most songs we use in dancing is worldly music because of the beat and co.
Okay.
But then I had to realize that it's not everything that's about worldly music, beat and co. You just have to focus on God, because He's the reason why I'm here today.
Super.
And He's the reason why, He's the one who gave me this talent.
Okay.
And I have to use it to glorify His name and not the world.
So, Isaac, your application was powerful. There's no doubt. Very. Okay. So, what role has poetry played in your life?
Poetry has helped to reflect my emotions.
Wow.
And also to appease the gods, because poetry itself, there are ways poetry can help, because these scientists think that life is all about science, but poetry has played a crucial role in helping me, and then even speaking to others and then talking about poetry to them.
So, Isaac, let me ask you, how do you decide what to write about?
I feel like, there are two ways.
Okay.
The one I wrote about God and then about life.
So, tell us about life. What did you write about life? Can you recite just a line, 2 lines?
Everything about life matters, but under some mysterious circumstances. If it happens to be positive impact, then you might undergo hardship situation.
Oladimeji, you love cooking. What's your favorite thing about being in the kitchen?
I journey a lot of things in the pot.
Can you manage? Did you hear him? Say it again.
Journey a lot of things in the pot.
Joining a lot of things, mixing a lot of things in the pot. Like what?
Spices, the meat, the rice, carrots, and other things.
Who is your biggest cooking inspiration?
Always my mom.
Ah, I expected that and he did not disappoint me. So tell me, one lesson or value that has stuck with you from all that your mentors have taught you. What is the one lesson that has stuck with you?
Success don't come to you. You have to go after it. Don't wish for it. Work for it.
The lesson I've learned is that you should always stick with God and stick with the plans you have in life.
And the lesson I've learned is that cook with a different taste. Cook with a different taste. So that your food will be different and your food will inspire people, more people.
Lastly, let me ask you, if someone your age is watching right now and they're not sure what the future holds for them, what would you say to encourage them? I'll start with you, Oladimeji.
Never give up. Don't look at yourself as if you're a young person. You can achieve more when you are young. So never give up. Just look at the future and what you do, focus on it.
I prefer to tell them and also to encourage them that hard work pays, and also to tell them that whenever they fail or they lose, tomorrow is coming. They might win, so they should not give up in their future, because the future holds a bright destination.
For me, I would say no matter how small you are, your future is bright, because even God says He has plans of good and not for evil for us. So pray and ask God to show you your direction, because prayer is the key to success. That's what it is.
Do me a favor. What is this?
Conflict.
How did you know it's conflict? Is that all you can eat? You are a foodie, man. I'll give you a minute. Guess what flavor it is? Take your time, take your time. No, finish what you have there. Take your time. Super. So who wants to go first? Okay, the foodie. Are we surprised? Awesome.
Okay.
It's actually strawberry flavor.
Strawberry.
Yes.
Banana.
Are you sure? You sure? Strawberry?
Sure.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Put your hands together for the foodie. The guy proved to us that he is indeed a foodie. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for coming, and congratulations on behalf of all of us in NASCO. This is what we do. This is what we are passionate about. I mean, for us, the future is bright, and people like you around, we know that Nigeria is going to be great.